Yeah, after so basically I was on the top of this ridge. That was my intended goal, the wedge, but somehow I ended up on north ridge of the wedge where I've been before, except the way I got to that ridge was from this side, and now I got from the opposite side behind it, and now I'm descending back. That's Mount Limestone, and eventually I will turn right here on this gully, try to get back to the parking lot from this side as opposed to going back to Limestone. Yeah, miscalculations again, same as last week. Took the wrong gully again and ended up on a wrong destination.